Ever feel like your phone might fall off your bike at any second? Loose mounts, constant adjustments, and complicated setups can easily ruin your ride, especially on rough roads. That's where the LISEN Bike Phone Holder comes in. It's designed to keep your phone secure, stable, and easy to access while you ride. With its upgraded locking system and all-around grip, your phone stays firmly in place, even on bumpy or high-speed rides. Each corner is held securely, giving you more confidence on the road. Installation is quick and simple. No tools, no complicated parts, just mount it and tighten in seconds, so you're ready to go without any hassle. The full silicone design helps absorb shocks and reduce vibration during your ride. It also helps protect your phone and handlebar from scratches, keeping everything in better condition over time. This holder is designed to fit most smartphones, including larger models, so you don't have to worry about compatibility when switching devices. It also works with a wide range of handlebars, making it suitable for bicycles, e-bikes, scooters, and more. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just enjoying a casual ride, it helps keep your phone stable and accessible when you need it. LISEN focuses on quality and responsible production, offering reliable support for added peace of mind. If you're looking for a simple and secure way to mount your phone while riding, this is definitely worth checking out. Take a look and see if it fits your setup.